Ever wondered how the stock market operates, or why some people seem to make a fortune from it while others struggle? Well, you're in the right place to uncover the secrets of the stock market and learn how to navigate it effectively. The stock market, at its core, is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly traded companies. Each share represents a piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you're essentially purchasing a tiny slice of that company. The price of these shares fluctuates based on supply and demand, which in turn is influenced by several factors such as the company's performance, economic trends, and investor sentiment. Understanding the stock market begins with grasping the concept of stock analysis. This is the process of evaluating and comparing the financial details of a company to predict its future performance. There are two main types of stock analysis: fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis involves examining a company's financial statements, studying its management, and considering the overall health of the economy and the industry in which the company operates. This method is typically used by long-term investors who are interested in the company's potential for growth over time. On the other hand, technical analysis is used primarily by short-term traders. It involves studying price patterns and trends in the stock's trading history. The idea here is that historical performance can provide clues about future price movements. Remember, no analysis can guarantee success, but it can certainly improve your chances. Navigating the stock market can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some key points to remember from today's discussion. Firstly, the stock market is a platform for buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. The price of these shares fluctuates based on supply and demand. Secondly, stock analysis is crucial to making informed decisions. This involves either fundamental analysis, which looks at a company's financial health and industry trends, or technical analysis, which focuses on price patterns and trading history. Finally, remember that investing in the stock market involves risk. No method guarantees success, but understanding the basics and conducting thorough analysis can significantly increase your chances of making profitable investments. In the world of the stock market, knowledge truly is power. So, equip yourself with the right understanding and approach the market with confidence. See you in the next video, where we delve deeper into the strategies used by successful investors.